I was in combat in 1945 through 1949. That's how I got hurt.
My mom was diagnosed with diabetes. My dad had to exhaust all of his savings on things that the insurance just didn't cover. And then finally, my mom capped her insurance. So all the expenses were out-of-pocket expenses. So there was just no money for the needed repairs. We needed a roof, and we actually didn't have running water.
It was pretty bad because I had to sort of move the wheelchair, and I'm legally blind, and I didn't know where I was going half the time. So things were pretty rough for me.
David and I moved in shortly after we were married about 15 years ago. However, the house had been in my family. It had been my grandparents' house. When our son became ill, all of our resources, our time, our energy, our finances, everything was directed towards that as our sole goal. He began chemotherapy and was in treatment for 5 years before he passed away this January. My son's illness left us with a lot of financial obligations. We hadn't really even gotten to the point where we were thinking about what we were going to do about our house.
The main problem facing low-income homeowners is that they don't have enough incomes to support the needs that they obviously have to take care of to pay their mortgages, pay their taxes, pay their utility bills, and to maintain their homes. And that's been a problem for a long time and shows no signs of abating. For many low-income homeowners, there really is only one option to solve the home maintenance problems that they face, and that is rebuilding together.
Rebuilding Together's purpose is to preserve affordable home ownership for our nation's millions of low-income homeowners. From our nation's returning veterans to our seniors to our disabled, we attempt to meet the needs of homeowners who need the services that only Rebuilding Together can provide.
Home ownership is the backbone of our cities, of our suburbs, of our rural parts of the country. That is what is going to move this country forward.
And that's why it's so important for organizations like Rebuilding Together to be there when the less advantaged citizens and residents and owners in that neighborhood need some help.
Rebuilding Together is located through our affiliates in every major community across the United States.
Rebuilding Together affiliates are the ones who go out and find the people who need the help, and we also find the people that can provide the help. In a sense, we're a broker of neighbors.
Rebuilding Together allowed my dad to stay in his home, something that I just wasn't going to be able to do.
If Rebuilding Together hadn't come forward to help us with our house, I'm sure those repairs still would not have been made.
This organization has allowed our family to stay together, and you just can't put a price on that.
So we need to continue on a national level to engage our political leadership and our corporate leadership so we can better serve the needs of low-income homeowners. Our network is unique because we fall back on something very, very basic. We engage the goodness in people, the spirit of volunteerism, the genius of philanthropy, and we bring those together in ways that brings astounding results in low-income communities and serves as a model of what people can do to help each other when in need. We are truly unique, and our future can only be better.